always remember to set expectations with your client. They're going to become hyper aware once it's been cleaned of imperfections. And so you want to set expectations and let them know of any pre-existing damage or anything to their floor before you get started. Make sure to always document everything you find. Take pictures before and after. That way they know what to expect, what may show up after a cleaning. Because when dirt is covering pits or scratches, anything like that, and you clean it up, it's going to be more visual to the client. So make sure you bring that to their attention, so that way after you're done, it doesn't appear to them that it was caused by the cleaning process, which is highly unlikely. But always go over those things before you start on the work. That way they are aware of it. In this house, for example, there are some imperfections in areas where a little bit has broken off. And so those are going to be much more noticeable now that I've got the dirt off of it. So make sure you go over this and document and document, document. Write it out, have them sign off on it, show them if you found it prior to the cleaning process, and then set those expectations. I'm going to be applying a satin finish to this floor. I just got the 2-part product shooken up and it's ready to apply. So I'm going to go ahead and put some down so you guys can see it. This is going to be 2 coats that are going on minimum. If you want it to have a little higher sheen, then you can add more, but I'm going to be doing 2 coats on this one. All right, so I got my pre-shook up bottle here. I'm going to lay down a little bit at a time, and I'm going to start here. And what I'm going to do is go with the planks. They are going, in this case, left to right, just in case you can't tell in the video. This floor, I don't believe it's that big of a deal if you go another direction, but I'm trying to treat it like hardwood floor where you want to go with the grain. Just want to make sure I get a nice even overlapping coat here. Always pay attention to where you were last at, so you can, if you're by yourself, make sure you're not missing a spot, which is kind of hard to see on this floor. So I'm just going slow and making sure I've got it across this whole thing, or this area. I'm a little bummed that the time of day is causing the sun to be hitting in this, so it's hard to get some good before and afters, but there is no blinds that I can shut in order to kind of get the same thing. So unfortunately, the before and afters in this one aren't going to be the greatest, but there is a big difference in this house. It's way more reflective. This floor is such a pain in the butt to clean. So this should definitely help with maintenance, making it a little easier to be worked on. Depending on the upkeep of the home, between 3 and 5 years, this product will last.